All of my friends and family members know I absolutely love trying out different sauces. I firmly believe that sauces have the ability to take an ordinary dish and turn it into something extraordinary. Zhoug is made from jalapeños. I utilize all of the seeds because I like my sauce to be very spicy. You then add in some raw garlic. How many cloves you use depends on how much of that garlic flavor you prefer. I usually err on the side of caution and stick with about 3 to 4 medium-sized cloves. Cilantro is the star ingredient in this particular sauce. I use 2 full leafy green bunches of cilantro in this particular sauce. Then you add in a variety of spices like cardamom and cumin. We of course can't forget to sprinkle in a little bit of salt. I like to make sure all of the ingredients have a very, very fine consistency in my sauce. I like to pulse the garlic first and make sure that's chopped up nice and fine. Then I add in the jalapeno, pulse that around a few times in a food processor to make sure that's also diced up really fine. And then I add in the cilantro, the cardamom, the cumin, the salt. Blend that all together really well in the food processor. While that's going, I slowly drizzle in the olive oil, and that's where the creaminess of the sauce starts to take place. I think Mediterranean dishes are the epitome of utilizing very humble ingredients to make some of the best tasting meals I have ever had, and I think Zhoug is a prime example of something so simple. The easiest ingredients one could possibly find. When you combine those together, they create one of the most bold and vibrant, flavorful dishes I've ever experienced. It's traditionally served alongside hummus and falafel. You can lather Zhoug over grilled meats. You could spoon it into falafel wraps. You could use it to liven up soups and stews. Or one of my personal favorites, you could use it as a dipping sauce for roasted potatoes.